This is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend on taking is to activate the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open the control panel or control center, find and touch and hold the nearby share icon. From here you can activate this feature by toggling on this switch, and now if you want to, you can also change your device name or alias. You can manage and control its visibility, or change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. Now once everything is set up and ready to be used, let's quickly test this feature out. So I will send this screenshot that I've just took and send it from my Nokia to my OPPO through the nearby share. Alrighty, so as you can see, the file was successfully transferred. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.